Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jalene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And I got in the mail, I got this before the end of the month, end of October, but I got my Macy's beauty box. So I'm going to go ahead and share that with you. This is for the month of November. And so let's get started. I want to thank you guys for being here. Thank you to my subscribers. Those of you who want to subscribe, hit the like button. Do those things to support my channel. I would love it. And so let's get on here. We're going to open up this box. We've got everything in this tiny little pink tissue paper. That's how they wrap it. There's also another surprise in here. They usually give you a something extra, a bonus item. That's what I'm assuming this is. They also always give you a $5 off coupon. I know Macy's is having sales right now, but this is on any, I believe it's on any beauty item that you want to purchase. So anyway, so there's that. And so do I get the bonus? Let's do the bonus last. And so I'm going to open up the package here. I actually got a sneak peek at December's box, and I'm really excited. So I can't wait now for December. But we're looking at November right now, and everything. This is a $15 a month subscription. You get all sample sizes. Sometimes they'll give you a fun bonus. Well, usually have some kind of a bonus, either a bag or as some kind of a tool or something. And then most of the items, other items are all sample items. You get a variety of things from fragrance to skincare to some makeup products. It just depends. Looks like we got a lot of skincare this month. I see one thing that I'm actually really excited about. One of my favorite skincares. The first thing I'm going to pull out, though, this is the pumpkin. They call it the Plumpkin. This is the retinol eye cream. And this comes in a cute little pumpkin. I don't know if I could show this to you. It's from Tony Moly. The full size is $25 value. And can you see that? It comes in a cute little pumpkin. I don't know if it's a seasonal item to do it that way, but anyway, it's a cute little pumpkin case. So just a small thing, but it's a decent eye cream. Okay, this one's from Elizabeth Arden. It's called 8, and it's 8 Hour Hydra Skin Perfecting Daily Moisturizer. Very small, but it's something you could throw in your purse or whatever. This is actually a $45 value for a full size. So there's the second item. And let's go to the third item we have here. And it is from Origins, and it's called Plant Fusion Hydrating Body Souffle Moisturizer. So, let's see. Oh, I thought this was another brand that I was excited about, but it's not. So this is just a hydrating body moisturizer. It's very small, so you probably wouldn't get many uses out of it, but there's that. The next thing I have here is from MAC Makeup, and it is a Hyper Real Serumizer Serum Moisturizer Hybrid. That's what it says. It's $90 for 1.7 ounces. Of course, we just got a small sample size here. So, kind of a moisturizer hybrid serum, whatever. So very small. That's just barely a sample. So there we go. There's that. Then the fourth thing well, I guess that would be the fifth thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth thing we have in here is from Kiehl's. Once again, we got a body lotion with cocoa butter from Kiehl's. So there's that. Kiehl's is a pricey brand. Not one of my favorites, though. I don't know why, but I'm not really getting much of a smell out of it. So anyway, there's that. This is just over 1 fluid ounce. So there we go. There's that. So anyway, I'm not super excited about this month's. I don't know. Sometimes I like when I get at least one makeup item or perfume, because usually you can get more use out of those. These are just real small samples, so which I don't always like to just use. But anyway, so the bonus item here we have here is, which I kind of am excited about this. This is a roller ball. Now I don't know if this is part of it or if this is just how protected. This little white thing, I think it's foam, so it's probably not, but it looks like interesting. But anyway, I believe you just put these in the fridge and then you get it cold and then you just roll it, and just helps with puffiness and whatnot. So I actually like it. I like this. So that was kind of a fun item. So we've got once again, the Elizabeth Arden 8-Hour Moisturizer, the Origin Body Souffle, the Kiehl's Moisturizer or Body Moisturizer with cocoa butter, the Tony Moly Eye Cream. Now this one is, even though it's small sample, it should go further because it is an eye cream. And the MAC, this is like so tiny, but this is a serum and a moisturizer, kind of a hybrid. So there's that. So we got those 5 items. Whoops. Right there. There they are. And then we got this roller ball that's, anyway, it's got pretty glitter in it. So anyway, for the face, so that's the Macy's Beauty Box for November. I'm finding that their boxes, I get 1 or 2 that are kind of exciting, and then I get one that I'm not too excited about, and then I get a really exciting one. So this one is not so, but I'm looking forward to December's, because I got a sneak peek and it looks pretty good. So anyway, it's worth it to me. It's kind of fun just to see what you can get each month for $15. So anyway, thanks for being here. Let me know what you think of the Macy's Beauty Box. Do you get it? Do you like it? And I guess I will see you guys all in the next one. Stay tuned for lots of fun holiday videos to come. I have really fun stuff to share, and some gift ideas and whatnot. So anyway, that's it. Bye-bye.